So hi everybody, Jlab went ahead and sent me these great headphones, and I'm telling you the sound on them is excellent. The Jbuds Lux ANC wireless over-the-ear headphones. Not bad at all. We're going to go ahead, open up the box, and I'll show you what's inside. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel or you like what you're seeing, please click on that like and subscribe button and ring that bell. And also by clicking that thumbs up, it really does help the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. So here it is, Jlab Immersed Lab Quality Sound Hybrid ANC Jbuds Lux ANC Wireless Over-Ear Headphones. Not bad at all. You have 70 plus hours of playtime. You have cloud foam comfort, and they truly are very soft on your ears. Doesn't bother you at all. They are very soft. And then you have customizable sound with the app. So let's go ahead now, open up the box so you can see what they look like. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the side of the box. You have Bluetooth multi-point. You can connect to any two devices simultaneously. You have wireless share mode, and of course you have the Jlab app. Taking a look at the back of the box, here it is. It gives you some more information on the headphones, on what they exactly do. But you're going to get your most out of it when you go ahead and you download the Jlab app. Once we take them out of the box, you see that they do come packaged very well inside the box. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead and take them out of the box. Once we get them out of the box, here on the left-hand side, you have a USB to USB-C charging cable. In the center, you do have your Jlab Jbuds Lux. And to the right of that, we do have a quick start guide. We go ahead, we open up the start guide. This way you can see how simple it is, step-by-step instructions on how to go ahead and get the best performance out of the Jlab headphones. On the top of the headphones, you do have your cushion, and they are very soft. Same thing around your ears. Very, very soft, very squishy. Not bad at all. And on the inside of the headphones, they are marked with an L and R, so this way you know which ear to put them on. On top of the headphones, it does say Jlab. Taking a look on the right side of the headphones, you do have your USB-C charging port. You do have the button so you could go ahead and pair. And also with the app, it will pair to the app. So again, please make sure you download the app. Right above that, then you do have your volume up, volume down, track forward, track back. And then you could go ahead and also switch to the EQ mode, which is very nice, just by holding down both buttons for about 3 seconds. You do have your noise control. You can switch it over to music, movie mode, which is also very nice. This is what the headphones will look like when you're wearing them. Very nice. They look really comfortable, and let me tell you, they are very comfortable. And of course, here, let me go ahead and spin this around so you can see everything. This is how they do look. Not bad at all. And they are very soft. Great sound, great quality by Jlab. I'd like to thank Jlab for sending me the Jbuds Lux ANC wireless over-the-ear headphones. These are a great product, great sound. There will be a link in my description down below. Go ahead and check it out. Get yourself a great pair of headphones by Jlab. Thank you for watching. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.